subscribe now. Now click on arrow mark, select next, select India and click on continue, select next, keep option is not working because this phone is protected by FRP. Now connect Wi-Fi. You must also connect the Wi-Fi and click on next option. Wait few minutes. Don't copy. We don't know old pattern. Simply click on into mark. This phone is asking for previous Google account. We don't know. Go back. Now simply click on information button on connected Wi-Fi. Click share option. Select quick share and continue. Turn on Bluetooth. Now click on three dot option. Select setting, but setting is not work. Now go back. Select send feedback and click on legal help option. Legal help. Click that, and the YouTube is on. Now play the YouTube button. Now share the YouTube option. Now the YouTube will come. Allow this one. Click on account option and select setting. Click on history and privacy. YouTube terms and service. Use without an account. No thanks. Type Frp Bypass and search. Go to URL. Now open settings. Click on open settings. Simply scroll and about device. This phone is OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. And now Android 14 is running. Now simply select home screen and lock screen. Home screen and lock screen. Click on home screen layout. Now phone will go to main menu. Now I am using another phone to send anyone. You must use another Android phone. I am installing clone phone in another phone. After installation, open the clone phone app in old phone. Open the clone phone app. Click agree and continue. Now select settings and allow all the apps. Open clone phone app in new phone. This is new phone. Allow all the options. Click allow options. Now click on allow all these things. Now click on other Android options in new phone. Now the scanner will come. Click start migration in old phone. Now tick and OK. After click the OK, now the scanner will come. Allow locations. Simply scan the QR code and connect the phone. Now phone is connecting. Now untick all this and tick only call logs and click on next. Now phone will go to migration. Tick that one and start migration. Now phone will migrating. After migration is complete, FRP will 100% bypass. Click on done button. Click on skip option. Go to done option. Click on get started. Now the Google account is successfully bypassed in OnePlus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.